Hello, greetings from Booneri. In today's GK topic, we will learn why do things look blurry underwater? Watch ahead to find out. Some of us might have good vision without the need of spectacles, but however clear our vision may be, when we are underwater, our vision gets blurry. Why does that happen? Let me explain. We are able to see things because light from those objects falls on our eye and gets refracted as it goes inside. This bending of light, how fast or slow it bends, is called refractive index. So, light doesn't travel at the same speed in different materials like air and water. For example, light travels faster in air, while underwater, light travels comparatively slower. Let me illustrate this. Look at the picture alongside. Keep a pencil in a glass of water. You will notice that the pencil looks bent in water. Why does this happen? Take a look. The refractive index, that is the bending speed of light through air, is 1, while the refractive index of water is 1.33. So because of the change in the indices, we see the refraction happening with the change from air to water. So, in the example of the glass of water with pencil, the pencil looks bent due to the difference in the indices of refraction. Our human eye refractive index is 1.37, which is nearly the same as that of water, which was 1.33. It's just a minute difference between the two. So this means that when light travels through water into our eye, it hardly bends. The refraction hardly changes. What happens because of this? The light doesn't focus clearly inside our eye. So what happens if unfocused light falls on our eye when underwater? Watch ahead. When unfocused light falls at the back of our eye, it results in a blurry vision. That hazy image is not clear at all. The result is that our brain finds it difficult to interpret what we see and is not able to understand the image clearly. So then what can we do to see clearly underwater? We can use swimming goggles. How does that help? When we put on our swimming goggles, the refractive index of water is different from the space of air that is in front of our eyes. So when light travels from water to air inside the goggles, it gets refracted. Next time you want to go swimming, check your vision without and with goggles and you will understand it clearly by yourself.